to the channel. I am just going to do like an intro video to explain all about the channel and who I am, stuff like that. So, I'm Richie, obviously. Bit of a background, I was born in South Africa and moved to the UK when I was a little kid. The fan side of it has come from when I was first born. There's a little story behind fan interest. So when I was first born, I was born in Johannesburg and it was very hot at that time of year. The end of the year is their summer. And first thing I ever saw was when my mum took me home by the cot. She had a big KDK desk fan, and it was the first thing I ever saw because I used to watch it oscillating back and forth and things like that. So that's probably where the obsession came from. I was just obsessed with them. So obviously as I've got older and become more aware of them, I like them. And we lived in America when I was a kid for a few years, so I saw all that side of it. The American fans are quite different to the UK ones. And I know collectors all around the world, which is pretty cool. Australia, South Africa, stuff like that. Also into cars, very much into cars. So I shall be featuring reviews and road tests of various cars. A lot of friends have got some nice cars, so look forward to those. I'd love to restore things and manufacture stuff like that. So I love bringing things back to life. So things like that will appear. It'd be quite random, the video, to be fair. It'd be road tests, restorations, fixing things, car stuff, car shows, trips here and there, all over the place. So give me a feedback, drop a comment what you'd like to see. If there's things I could do better. I know the filming's not very great at the moment because I'm still new to this, so I do know a few YouTubers who are very helpfully helping me out, so give it a whirl. So suggestions with things like microphones and cameras and stuff, they'll all come. So thanks for watching.